Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Pioneer Forum 2021. I'm Shobhi Cherian. I am Senior Director of Enterprise Business, DHL Express India Private Limited. I'll be spending the next 15 minutes helping all of you understand how logistics can be a growth engine in the cross-border e-commerce business. In the next 15 minutes, we will look at the changing trends of in the cross-border e-commerce space. We will spend time to understand how logistics can be a force multiplier and help attract and retain customers. We'll also introduce DHL unique solutions, which are helping cross-border commerce sellers provide seamless customer experiences. Let's look at the opportunity and the changing trends. Well, by 2023, cross-border e-commerce market size is forecasted to reach US dollar 6.5 trillion. By no means is a small number. As you see, the compound annual growth is from 2018 to 2023 is going to be around 11%. Let's look at how e-commerce market is accelerated during the pandemic. Well, as you see, it's clear that the e-commerce adoption is accelerated during the pandemic. A decade of change happened in a few weeks. Yeah, if we see from March of 2020 onwards, the latest trend being that the undigitized B2B sector is also catching up. With supply chain challenges, buyers are on the lookout for different sources. Let's look at how big is the e-commerce opportunity in the B2B space. Well, now you're aware that the B2B commerce market is also growing. You can see the growth moving from say around 5 trillion onward to say around 20 trillion odd by 2027, which is the forecast. The key highlights are that the global B2B e-commerce market is pretty large, 20 trillion. This market is bigger than the B2C market. The growth in the sector is also larger. Yeah. So now that we understand the B2B opportunity, let's also look at how customer preferences have changed during the pandemic. Well, as you see, before the pandemic, mobile shopping was comparable to other types of online shopping. Say 30% of customers would shop through would enjoy shopping on mobile, whereas 47% would even come on to the store. Whereas a big change happened after the pandemic. Uh, it so happens that mobile devices have become the preferred mode for online shopping, and the same will continue post pandemic too. As you see from a survey, 45% of the customers have said that they will still use mobile devices to shop even after the pandemic. Hence, it's important to all that selling strategies remain optimized for mobile devices, and because customers are buying on the mobile anytime, anywhere. So innovations like 24/7 deliveries, 10-minute deliveries, or dark warehouses are becoming the norm. We all have heard about Zepto by now. Like for Zepto, last mile is key. Let's look at how logistics can help garner and retain more cross-border customers. But before we look into logistics, let's look at into what make customers buy. Yeah. Uh, well, research has said that 68% of buyers choose an e-tailer based on better customer experience, lower returns, or better delivery options. Yeah. Did you also know that according to a recent survey, logistics and delivery is considered to be the most problematic pain point in the cross-border e-commerce? Yeah. So you have to get this right. If you have logistics right, I think a lot of business will come your way. So why is shipping a must-do activity now? So if you get your delivery options right, you can and you have a premium delivery offering, you can expect a 1.6x faster revenue growth. You can see close to a 70% incremental cart value. So to get logistics and deliveries right, you have the choice of a trusted logistic partner, and DHL is a leader in the cross-border e-commerce space, established in 1969, a lakh plus employees, 9 million parcels ex India in a year. 19 flights moving on to 25 by end of the year. So premium shipping cannot get any better. Well, we are when it comes to premium shipping, we have a slew of solutions which can differentiate your offering to cross-border customers. Let's look at each one of them in detail. The first one is being on-demand delivery. Well, DHL's focus on is beyond customer service. So let's explore on-demand delivery. Well, it's a premium offering. We give 6 delivery options to our customers to choose from. It works on mobile as well as on email. Customers can schedule deliveries in his preferred time or date. They can agree with DHL to leave their shipment on the door. They can agree with DHL to leave the shipment with the neighbor. They can pick up the shipment from the service point. They can give an alternative address, or they can even do a vacation hold. Yeah. So this communication can also be customized. Seller can add his brand logo, or in the ODD communication, be it through SMS or on mail. Yeah. So our second slew of solutions are bespoke solution for sellers. This is the first one is regarding duty and taxes. We know that understanding and having the knowledge of the duties to pay and the tax to be paid is something which the information is not available. However, DHL has collected the information in something called TAS. So you have the information available. You could make pay for by yourself and collect it from the customer as you sell. We also have services which will support post-Brexit European customs regulations. There have been changes. We have made it easier for you to plug and play and start the shipping to Europe. We also have a tailor-made FBS for FBS solutions. We also have tailor-made shipping tools. So these are all tools and solutions which can help you get more customers. So let's look at each one of them in detail. Well, the first one, as I explained, is duty and taxes. What we call as TAS, the Trade Automation Services. It will let you calculate landed cost of your products in each country, and I'll also give information of paperwork. You can publish it in your website, or you can even collect all-inclusive price from your customer. When shipping, you can use our duty tax paid service. So this is called a DTP service. You can ask our sales team and they'll be happy to help you, so that your customer needn't pay any charges because you would already collected the same thing earlier, and DHL will bill it back to you, in a couple of weeks' time. Well, I did explain about IOSS, or the import one-stop customs clearance formalities, which Europe has started after Brexit. DHL supports customers by helping identify customer consultants who can help procure you an IOSS number, or you could tie up with the EU VAT service vendor who could pay on your behalf. This is something which a lot of our customers have used to penetrate into the European market. Let's look at what a service we offer for FBA sellers. FBA is a large, Amazon FBA is a large part of our business, and it's a great opportunity for e-commerce sellers. So DHL supports sellers for Amazon FBA business with a one-stop door-to-door solution, including custom clearance formalities and ensure full compliance. This is a large part of the business. We can work all across Europe or into the US. Moving into shipping tools. Well, whether you operate a marketplace, use a platform like Shopify, or create an independent website, our tools can easily link with all. It's plug and play, optimized for quick integration, and customizable with seller logo, which means your invoices, your the messages we send can all have your logo. Uh, well, as you've seen, DHL has been a front runner in making it easier for sellers to comply with government regulations. DHL has worked closely with the Indian Customs to simplify e-commerce exports. The government of India also supported us with CSB5. So let's understand what CSB5 is. In India, prior to 2017, we had two modes: courier and cargo. Courier was for faster clearance, minimum paperwork, and cargo was for commercial exports, duty drawbacks, and other government benefits. So, as you know, the GST benefits is around 12 to 18%, MES was 3 to 6%. CSB5 is a special clearance mode for e-commerce shipments. It gives you the benefit of both courier and cargo mode clearances. It also ensures that sellers get benefits. CSB, as you see, has the best of both the modes. Uh, for sellers shipping around 30 plus shipments to same country, we have a solution. Let's have a look at that. Well, it's called Hybrid Plus. These are also called BBX, so it's called BBX Hybrid Plus solutions. If you ship multiple orders to single country, and say, for example, you're in handicrafts, home textiles, and you have a minimum 30 orders to the US, then you can consolidate the shipments under one roof, have one export invoice, and clearance can be done in cargo mode. Then you can claim all the government incentives, and GST refunds are much faster since export data is available to ICATIA. So let me take a minute to explain this process to you. We can pick up multiple shipments with unique error bills, which we call babies, and the same is consolidated with a single mother error bill. Yeah, we transport the shipment for clearance under the single mother error bill and the mother invoice. So we custom clear the shipment under the single mother error bill and the invoice, which and then the same is shipped out to the destination. In the destination, customs clearance is done on individual error bills. So when customs clearance is done on individual error bills, you don't most of the shipments will be get cleared on de minimis, which for the US right now is at $800. And these shipments get delivered to their consignees. So what are the key benefits for hybrid BBX? So each separate shipments, there is no requirement of palletization. We can set this up for any country. We can also move dutiable as well as non-dutiable shipments, and the transit time are faster. Even though we're going to do customs clearance through the cargo mode. So there's a lot of cost savings in Hybrid Plus. If you are close to 30 plus shipments, you get faster GST refunds, and as well as you can avail export incentives. So this is a unique product to DHL. We are the only ones who have been able to make this solution work for e-commerce sellers in the country. Please do contact us. If you have more than 30 shipments to country, we'll be happy to set it up for you. Well, in summary, cross-border e-commerce is a lucrative opportunity. You've seen that the B2C part is growing pretty fast. There is a B2B opportunity which is just around the corner, and B2C buyers are happy to buy on the web at this point in time. Customers' buying habits have changed, and it will continue to evolve. DHL supports companies of all sizes to power up their potential through collaborative partnerships. COVID-19 has changed the global retail landscape, and building trust and loyalty is more important than ever. And most importantly, just get started. And you need help getting started. Please do not hesitate to reach out to our team and to myself. We at DHL Express are happy to help and grow the e-commerce, B2C and the B2B part of the business. Thank you all.